Best AI Video Generators.
Close your eyes for a moment and imagine typing a sentence, then watching it turn into a movie scene. That's not science fiction anymore. Think of this as an explorer's guide to the tools that are redefining how stories come to life. At its core, these tools use artificial intelligence to transform text prompts or images into original video. For the first time, beginners can create videos that once required expensive gear and professional studios. The gates are open. Google Veo, it's known for consistent, all-around performance and strong prompt adherence. What you describe is usually what you get. It even generates high-quality audio and video together, with impressive lip sync that makes digital characters feel surprisingly alive. Then there's Sora. This tool shines when stories get complex, weaving scenes together with a level of realism that feels almost film-like. Its physics accuracy, especially with water and object movement, sets it apart. Runway is the precision instrument. Frame-by-frame tweaks, camera choreography, and motion paths let you direct scenes instead of just prompting them. One standout feature captures a real human performance and maps it onto an AI character. Pika is built for speed, generating clips in under a minute. It's playful, fast, and perfect for social trends, with one-click effects that make objects melt, explode, or inflate. CapCut handles everything: script writing, visuals, voiceovers, even subtitles. You can generate videos up to 10 minutes long and export clean video files without watermarks. Meta AI takes a different approach, removing barriers entirely. With virtually no usage limits, you can generate images, animate them into videos, and extend short clips repeatedly without hitting paywalls. Qwen AI flies under the radar but delivers surprisingly cinematic results, especially considering it's free. Videos come out smooth, detailed, and often enhanced with automatically generated sound effects. Luma Dream Machine, it's designed for rapid experimentation, letting you test variations quickly. With keyframes, you can define how a scene starts and ends, and character references help maintain consistency across clips. For enterprise-level work, Adobe Firefly brings peace of mind. Trained on licensed content, it's commercially safe and integrates directly with Adobe Premiere Pro. Features like generative clip extension help editors smooth transitions without reshoots. For creators with powerful hardware, local tools offer total independence. Running models on your own machine avoids subscriptions and limits entirely. Comfy UI provides deep, node-based control for advanced users, while Pinocchio simplifies installation for beginners. These setups are private, watermark-free, and unlimited if you're willing to get your hands a little dirty. Not every path is safe. Free plans often come with hidden traps, permanent watermarks, low-resolution exports, or tiny monthly credit allowances that barely cover a few seconds of video. It's easy to lose hours creating something you can't publish. The golden rule: always check export rules before you fall in love with a tool. Here's the quiet truth behind all this technology. The tools are powerful, but they're not the storyteller. You are. Don't let the tech intimidate you. Explore. Play. Experiment. The cameras are virtual, the sets are infinite, and the audience is waiting. So, what will you create first?
Hi, thanks for watching. If you want more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Bye.